This is a vintage combined voltmeter and ammeter, the Elite brand, manufactured by the Manhattan Electrical Supply Co. Incorporated. It's a popular design from, I believe, the 1920s. It's in a fob watch style. This is the original wire that was and probe which was attached to the top. That's the positive terminal, and there was nothing attached to the bottom terminals. I've got two screws here into which I gather you'd put your own probe or wire. I've just put a pin into this one as a probe. It's the voltmeter side, that's the ammeter side. I'll just demonstrate it measuring a voltage with a standard 9-volt battery. And it measures around about 8 volts, and it's a 9-volt battery, so it's not super accurate, but I think these were used for testing batteries in radios in households in the 1920s, and I believe they were relatively common at the time. So it's quite a nice object, and thank you for watching.